देखिए कंट्रीब्यूशन तो बहुत है, मैं उनको बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ।
The Delhi and District Cricket Association unveiled the statue of its former president Arun Jaitley at its premises. Union Home Minister Amit Shah unveiled Jaitley's life-size statue made by 96-year-old renowned sculptor Ram Sutar, the man behind the making of the iconic Statue of Unity in Gujarat. Jaitley, who held key portfolios of finance and defense in the central government, died last year due to multiple health issues. BCCI President and former India captain Saurav Ganguly, India opener Shikhar Dhawan, ex-India opener Gautam Gambhir, who is also a BJP MP from Delhi, BCCI Vice President Rajiv Shukla and Union Minister Hardeep Puri also attended the unveiling ceremony along with a number of DDCA officials. Ganguly said Jaitley's contribution was immense in the development of cricket in Delhi, though the DDCA has been in turmoil for some time.
देखिए कंट्रीब्यूशन तो बहुत है, मैं उनको बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ। जैसे ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि हर एसोसिएशन में प्लेयर्स का भी कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर्स का भी कंट्रीब्यूशन होता है। और जेटली जी का कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा है। मैं जब कप्तान था देश का तब उनसे बातचीत होती थी, क्योंकि बहुत क्रिकेट के शौकीन थे। ये मैं पर्सनली जानता हूँ। अभी डीडीसीए का president बना है। This association also has gone through a lot of turmoil, so I hope Rohan can take things up properly, and because there's so much talent in Delhi. You know, a state which produces Virat Kohli, Shikhar Dhawan, Rishabh Pant, Ishant Sharma, and many in the past who have gone on to play for India and have won laurels. This is a remarkably talented state. So hopefully it will be a good opportunity for all the players to express themselves in these conditions, and I think it's a good thing for DDCA. But the Indian cricket needs a settled DDCA, and hopefully they can do it. And as I said, the contribution of Mr. Jaitley, you know, sometimes you don't see, like us, we played on the field, we got hundreds, we got 5 wickets, so you could see our contributions on the field. But a lot of people have worked from behind and helped this game, helped cricketers, and he was a cricketer's person. You know, you ask some of the former Delhi players, they'll say how close he was to them, and helped them in every possible way. That's the role of an administrator, and I have worn both the shoes as a player, captain, and now president, so I know how it is. And you know, I know he's not with us anymore, but he's someone who I looked up to. And I remember a phone call in 2003 when we were playing the World Cup in South Africa, and we lost the first game, and the entire country had gone berserk against us. And I remember a call from nowhere saying that the board, the state association support you, and you all need to play well. We came back and played well. So these small things matter, and I think he was a wonderful human being.